Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes since I applied the first coat, so I'm about to apply coat 2. As I said, I'm hoping to get away with just 3. What I really want to see is just decent coverage over all the wood, just so it's all covered and those pores in the wood are all filled or leveled. So I'll pop my mask on again and we'll apply coat 2. Okay, so as you can see, starting to get quite good coverage now. But again, these are very light coats, no chance of any runs. The third coat will probably be a little bit heavier again than the second, as the second was to the first. But yeah, that's how we'll move forward.